welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm very happy to have you here. Today I have a super exciting video, you guys. Oh my goodness. Yes, you guys, you saw it in the title of this video. Roja Parfums sent me a perfume from their latest perfume collection, the latest release, Essence De Parfum collection. So I have it right here, you guys, and I am beyond excited to review this for you. So if you want to hear my thoughts on the Roja Parfums newest Essence De Parfum collection and this perfume in particular, please keep watching. So yes, you guys, Roja Parfums contacted me and sent me this perfume from their newest Essence De Parfum collection. So you guys, there are 7 perfumes in the Essence De Parfum collection, and Roja Parfums knew exactly what to send me. This one is Scandal, and let me open the box. So it says Roja Parfums here. It's a beautiful presentation. So I'm going to push this out. There she is, you guys. Oh, I love that bottle design. I love the beautiful purple ombre effect. Purple is the color of royalty, you guys, as you know, and Roja Dove is royalty in niche perfumery. So I dressed in purple velvet. What else could be more appropriate for this occasion? So anyway, this is the gorgeous bottle. I love the bottle. I love the purple ombre effect. It's really beautiful. And the perfume is set in satin in here. I'm going to take her out now. And there's that gorgeous cap that I really love. And there is a little crystal right there in a triangle right there, which is really gorgeous. The bottle design is so slick. And it's just beautiful. I really love the slick bottle design with the ombre effect with the little jewel. And it says Scandal Roja Parfums right there. I'm not going to spray this on paper, you guys. I'm going to spray it on my dress and my skin. And I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts. So let's open her up. Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful, sensual white floral. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty, you guys, so pretty. So I'm going to spray it now. So I tested this, you guys, when it arrived. I will let you know my thoughts. Sprayed it on my dress, and I'm going to spray it on my skin right there. Oh, I'm smelling it on my dress and on my skin. Oh, I just love that Roja DNA, you guys. It's just... there's that signature DNA there that I just adore. Only Roja perfumes have. Oh my goodness, this is good. This is good. And they know exactly which one to send me. They know me well. This is a very sweet, fresh, warm, and sensual perfume. Very sensual, very feminine. This is obviously a floral fragrance, you guys. There are some beautiful white florals in this perfume. This is a beautiful fresh opening with that bergamot and lemon, that burst of citrus freshness, and it settles into those creamy, beautiful white florals. Tuberose, jasmine de Gaz, gardenia, lily of the valley, freesia, and orange blossom. And there's Rose de Mai, adding that beautiful romantic rose touch to the middle. And the base of this perfume is very sensual with that sandalwood. Sandalwood is this beautiful sensual woody note, and there is musk and orris in the base. It is the most perfect narcotic sensual composition, you guys. The gorgeous narcotic nature of the white florals with that sensual sandalwood and the powderiness from the orris. And that musk with that edge, the sort of like sexy edge. It's just a perfect composition. I haven't tried Roja Parfums pour homme fragrances like for men. I've only tried pour femme for women, women's fragrances. And all of the perfumes for women have this beautiful, like powdery, sensual DNA about it. It's just kind of like a signature only Roja perfumes have. And by the way, you guys, this lasts for a long time. It lasts for a long time. The scent bubble is quite wide. The projection is good. The sillage is gorgeous, sensual, nice sillage that actually when you walk past someone, you can smell this perfume. There's some like velvety, creamy, and sensual about this perfume. You could actually wear this perfume all year round during the day, but I would say it would be at its peak during spring and summer months. I will be rocking this whole spring and summer, you guys, and this is going to be my scent of the day. I love the fact that Roja Parfums priced this Essence de Parfum line a little less expensive. This line is around $290 US dollars. So it is less expensive than the other line, and it is that same beautiful quality. I have Roja 51, which I did a review of. I'll link it up here and down in the description box. And I also reviewed the Roja Enigma Oud, which I also have. I did a mini review of it in a haul video. I'll link that as well up there and down below. So I have those two, you guys. They're extrait de parfum concentration. There's 40% oil concentration in Roja perfumes. They are extrait de parfum. And these are Essence de Parfum. The quality of this is actually very impressive. I thought maybe because it's a little less expensive it would be less quality, but it is not. It is not at all. I mean, the performance is really great. High quality ingredients, just as any other Roja perfumes. Perfumes tend to just disappear on my skin, but I can tell just by smelling this is going to last. You can smell that Roja quality. It is definitely there. So I'm very impressed, and I'm really happy Roja priced this line at $290 range, which then would allow more people to enjoy that Roja Parfums quality. Well, the nose behind these perfumes, like any other Roja perfume, is of course Roja Dove himself. Roja Dove is one of the most prestigious figures in contemporary niche perfumery, you guys. He is a renowned perfumer, and I hear that his passion for scents developed when he was a child, and at age 21 he started his perfume journey, and he's known in the perfume industry as the unique professor of perfumes. I'm just super thrilled with the olfactory pyramid of this perfume. The composition is just impeccable, just like the other Roja perfumes that I've ever gotten my nose on. That's what I love about niche fragrance houses like Roja Parfums, because their creations are like a piece of art. It's just exquisite. A huge thank you to Roja Parfums for sending this my way, and huge thank you to Roja Dove himself. This is a piece of art. Thank you for creating it. Roja Parfums Scandal Essence de Parfum.